Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen size within the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the home page or the main menu, from which you can immediately start various different matches. Now, from this page, if you wish to change your screen size settings, then you can either use the maximize or the restore buttons at the top section between the minimize and close button. However, this might show your taskbar within your game while you are playing it. So in order to change this, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on the gear icon to end up within the settings page. Now underneath the display settings within video, you can choose either windowed or the full screen mode. Choose whichever option is suitable for you. And then you also have the options to change your resolution. Depending on whether you choose windowed mode or the full screen, there might be various different options within resolution that may or may not be available. So choose your preferred settings for your display, and there are various other options that you can choose as well. After you have chosen your display resolution, just click on the apply button to apply your settings and then click on keep changes. And now the size that you have selected underneath resolution will immediately be applied to your game, and you can revert these changes at any time that you wish by following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the screen size within the Fortnite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.